how to add connection on Discord. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just open your Discord, and then when your Discord is opening, you will just go down and click right here, and then you will go to connection and click add. And here, for example, I will connect TikTok with my Discord. I will click TikTok, then they will ask me to use my TikTok. For example, I don't want to use it, that's why. So if you want, you just have to write your use phone or your email or your username on TikTok. For example, yeah, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.